We have all seen those wildly popular beauty tricks and tutorials on the internet. Some of them actually seem to be very effective, yet others leave you speechless and thinking that you'd never try them yourself. Beauty hacks for you. Let's start the ride. 1. You can turn an eye pencil into a liquid eyeliner if you hold it over a flame. Forget about precise and thin lines with this method. The pencil I used melted really quick, and the lines it drew got thicker. Totally not worth it, from my point of view. 2. If you stir eyeshadow and nail polish together, they can get you a new color. We have scraped some eyeshadow onto a plate and stirred in some clear polish. The main problem was stirring the ingredients together until the nail polish dried completely. As a result, we couldn't get the right texture, and there were a lot of specks left. I'll admit, we used cheap glitter eyeshadow, so the color we got turned out to be a disaster. However, I believe that you can get more decent results if you experiment with different colors. Also, it might be a good idea to use a whole bottle of polish. 3. You can get perfectly straight lines with a piece of Scotch tape. It sounds like something really easy to do, doesn't it? Place a piece of tape on your nail, paint, remove the tape, and there you go. Perfect line. Well, I can assure you, it's not that easy. I've tried this trick again and again, but no luck. Perhaps I did something wrong, so I'm leaving a question mark on this trick. 4. If you braid wet hair and blow dry it, you'll get wavy hair. We have wavy hair, so to test this trick, I have to straighten some of it first. I braided my wet hair and followed the instructions. The photo shows that my natural wavy hair looks way better. The braids didn't turn into cool waves, and I ended up with dry, straw-like hair. So the braid trick didn't work on me, and I'm guessing it won't work on any girl with wavy hair. 5. Use a couple of bobby pins to make your ponytail look better. Definitely not worth it. No matter which side, up or down, those bobby pins hurt my head so badly that I couldn't stop thinking of them. Who on earth came up with this tip? 6. Shaving secret hacks. Shave downward, then upward. It'll prevent razor bumps and burn. Shave after showering to minimize skin irritation. The steam opens up your pores so you can easily shave. Use hair conditioner instead of shaving cream if you run out. 7. Mix your nail polish with cornstarch, and you'll get a matte nail polish. We mixed some nail polish with cornstarch, and the result I got wasn't that pretty. My nails were covered with some grainy solution, not even close to what we call a matte nail polish. I think I can still see microgranules of cornstarch. I don't think I'll ever use the tip, and don't recommend it to you either. Let us know what you think in the comments section down below, and we'll pin our favorite to the top. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this video. We have a ton of more interesting videos